With years of experience in designing and manufacturing lithium batteries for industrial vehicles, Polinovel has developed solutions that power a wide range of equipment like rough terrain forklifts, container handlers, order pickers, side loaders, baggage tractors, and mining locomotives. Covering all major brands including Toyota, Hyundai, Hyster, Combilift, Crown, Caterpillar, TLD, etc. We provide premium Lithium for industrial traction batteries to directly replace lead-acid batteries, delivering long service life, maintenance-free operation, fast charging, to ensure low total cost of ownership and high productivity. Plus, with consistent high power output and robust safety performance, our batteries have earned trust and validation in high-intensity and demanding applications including manufacturing plants, distribution centers, ports, airports, cold storage warehouses, and underground mines. Polinovel has rich experience in customizing batteries for different industrial traction power applications. For inquiries, please contact us at sales@polinovel.com.